welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this cute photo frame wall hanging. You can insert your photos or your artwork through this slit and you can change it anytime you want and hang it in your room. It looks super cute and you can get as creative as you want. If you have a theme in your room, then according to that you can decorate it, and overall it's just a really fun and really unique craft to try. Hang it in your room by using this loop that I've created. So now without any further ado, let's get started. What's required for this craft is glue. I'm using Fevicol glue. You can use any other glue as well. A pair of scissors, a pen or pencil for marking, wool. You can also use ribbon if you don't have wool. Tape, a ruler, black sheet. I know you may be wondering, I have cut them. Yes, I have already marked them and cut them out. This should be around 3 to 4 inch, or you can also make it bigger according to your photo or artwork size. So first we will need the black squares and then the same size of your any other colored sheet. Same squares and 4 squares you will need. I'm using this blue color. You can use any other color. Now, without further delay, let's get started. First we will take our black and one of your colored sheets of paper, and we need to make a little square in the middle, leaving around 1 or 2 centimeter gap. I have the marking done and I'll be cutting this much out. I just need the border. I don't need this inner square. For cutting that, we'll fold it in half and make a slit. Like this. Now we have a little hole here and we can cut. Like so. If you don't want to do like this, another way is that you can cut, you can take the rectangle and on top stick a smaller sheet of paper, how much we have cut here. But the problem with that method is if you want to change your picture in any way, then you can't do it. That's why I'm teaching this method, because it's more practical. Now you can place and see if you want to trim something. I don't want to, so I'm going to apply glue on these 3 sides. And now we will stick this. If you want to trim a few things, then you can do it now. Here we go, we have it. Now when you will leave it more to dry, this gap is there. For now it's not secure, so after it will dry, you can insert the picture. So we will decorate it later. First we will be repeating the same process with all of the other 3. And if you're enjoying my video so far, then like, share and subscribe. Now I'm finished with all of these frames. Now you can decorate them however you want. You can decorate it with rhinestones, you can paint on this, you can get as creative as you like. But I'm going to go pretty simple and just draw a few lines and dots with white paint, but you can do anything you want. So yeah, I have this completed. I finished making all the designs, and as I said, you can get as creative and change up the colors in the background. It completely depends on you. Now we will take our wool. You can use any color. I'm going to use this nice hot pink color. Now you can place your photo frames here and see the length of your thread. And place your thread and see what should be the size, and we will make a little loop right for the first one. I'll just get this aside and show what I mean. So here's this, and I'm going to make a loop here so we can hang it. I finished making the loop, and on the last one, if you want, you can leave a little gap, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to just leave this much, like so. Now we are going to turn these over and stick this thread. If you want, you can stick it with glue, but I'm going to take this scotch tape because it will be more secure. Just take a small piece and stick it. I'm going to repeat this process for all of these other 3 ones. So here we have it. I finished making this hanging and it looks so cute, and now you can insert your pictures from the slit that we had cut here, and you can insert your artwork or your pictures in all of these and hang it in your room. So this is a really unique way to display your artwork, and it looks super cute. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.